Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is InstaClubHub. So to get started with a quick review about InstaClubHub, InstaClubHub is an Instagram growth and training platform created by social media experts Charlene and a Broken Charlson. It's designed to help entrepreneurs, influencers, and small business owners grow their presence on Instagram through by step-by-step video lesson, weekly live training, and updated strategies based on Instagram latest algorithm. The platform also includes content template, hashtag strategies, and a supportive community, make it a great tool for those who want to improve their content and engagement over time. However, InstaClubHub is more of a educational membership than hands-on automations tools. You won't get instant growth, and it requires consistent effort and time to see results. Some users also feels that the content can be overwhelming or not personalized enough without the higher type coaching option. Still, InstaClub is worth if you are serious about learning Instagram strategies with expert advice and prefer a guided approach to grow your account organically. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this social media platform expert. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.